some mods trying to do on this king broiler from Char griller. I did a modification on this on this box. I made me like a little smoke box or charcoal box. Put a little grate in there. This has the drawer on it, so the problem is with the drawer, you know, it fills with ashes, but I made it to where it will sit above the drawer and it will be able to continue to burn while I empty out the ashes. So made that little upgrade. So next upgrade, I gotta figure out how to close that big gap right there. Right now I'm using a little dryer tube. Just placed it over the existing exhaust. So just coming back with a little modifications. Come back to you later. I think I just solved that big gap problem by putting a little bit of leverage underneath the opposite side, tweaked the metal, so it finally closed. This is what I got a little on going on the grill today. So I'm pulling. It was a little over 300 earlier until I put the meat on. It's only been about maybe 10 minutes since I put the meat on. And fire's still looking pretty good. So just trying to learn this thing. Doing pretty good. Get ready to take them off. Fire. I'm putting a timer on the fire to see how long it's going to hold temp. I'm gonna cook a chuck roast tomorrow. Hopefully like a 5-hour cook, so then I can figure out how long the fire is holding like this. All right, later.